Dear clients, dear partners, dear viewers, welcome to this edition of the Blackfort Market Overview. My name is Wanja Eichl. I'm a managing partner of Blackfort's investment business here in Zurich, Switzerland. And I'm here today again with the Chief Investment Officer of Blackfort, Dr. Andreas Bickel. After a volatile September, we have seen a sharp positive rebound in October in many markets. Again, new record highs are reached. And now, Andreas, the all or nothing question is actually, will we see a year-end rally?
Let me answer this question with a quote. Be fearful when others are greedy, but be greedy when others are fearful. Having said that, we see at the moment, technically speaking, markets which are overbought. We do see earnings in Europe which are fading. Only 68% of all companies have met or beaten slightly the forecast of analysts, while in the US the hit ratio is still above 80% and only 13% have really missed the forecast. Therefore, we do see a shift of leadership, and we do like US equities, and we believe that they continue to rise over the next 3 to 6 months.
So you are still rather positive or bullish for US equities, and what does it mean regarding to regional allocations for the next weeks and months? What would you see there? What would you recommend?
I mean, different to our competitors and most strategists, we are recommending being overweight US and underweighting Europe for the reasons I've mentioned before. And we do believe that today the Fed will announce a tapering, but a tapering would mean a positive news for the market, because it's the first sign that the economy doesn't need additional support, stimulus. And forward looking, there will be fiscal packages in the US which haven't been implemented so far, while in Europe we have already seen a fiscal stimulus and a monetary stimulus, and the economy is still growing at a slower pace compared to the US.
Overweight US, underweight Europe. What about Asia?
Asia is a tricky area. Year to date, India and Vietnam as two examples have performed pretty well, actually 30% plus and more than 40% plus. China and other areas have had a rough year, starting with the crackdown in China due to regulations. However, at the moment, the latest PMI data, which came out this week, do show a strong rebound in, for instance, Japan, Australia, a rebound on a much lower level in China, and also in Taiwan. Therefore, if that is going to be confirmed, we are expecting a positive earnings growth over the coming months. And with that, there is the likelihood that the Asian market will catch up. And do not forget, Asian markets are cheaply priced. So overweight US, allocate to Europe, but compared to benchmarks, under allocate and add some money to Asian equities.
Thank you very much for these insights, Andreas. We are curious what the next weeks and months are bringing. It seems there is still some potential for at least a year-end rally, even though there is also the increased risks that volatility might increase in some phases again. We will see what the future brings, and we will be happy to also see you in Blackfort's next market overview. Thank you very much for today, Andreas, and thank you very much, dear viewers. See you next time.
Thank you all for watching.